Looks like the river is opening up, letting go of all the ice. Much like most of us are doing, I guess. Letting go of all our past memories, the way of being, who we thought we were, who we were expected to be, the boxes that people put around us, that we allowed that to happen. We're all letting it go. Letting it flow out. You can still see it, you can still feel it. It'll move smoothly one day, and one day it'll feel like it's caught. And then it'll move on. It's a process. This dying and being reborn. It's powerful. It's painful. I hear it's going to be extremely worth it. And I am going to say, in the words of Abraham Hicks, it is lovely here. It is also lovely over there, on the other side of this. And I am excited to see that. Still a hard day. But I will say this. Lately, there have been more peaceful days than harder ones. I'm learning to move through these strong emotions that take over. I'm learning to ask when I'm triggered, what is that? To examine it and to love it anyway. And when I lie down at night, I say with gratitude, thank you for teaching me. Whether it be myself or others or just the situation or anything, thank you. I hope this helps if you are in this situation, if you're doing the healing work, and it's okay if you are or not. Everything is your choice. Everything is your decision. And it is all beautiful. Thank you. Oh.